Hello guys, I'm Oyindamola and welcome back to your Yoruba Chick channel. In 2021, I started this channel and my first main video was titled How to Make Money Online in Nigeria. That video currently has over 26,000 views, and I found out that a lot of Nigerians are really interested in stacking up their income and building wealth. Well, it's a new year again, and in this video, I will be giving you an update into my 2022 financial plans and additional income streams that I plan to create this year. For my financial goals, I plan to save more, invest more, and add additional income streams. If you check my other videos, you see that apart from multiple income streams, I've also been talking about saving and investing. I typically save 10 to 20% of my income, and for my investment portfolio, I invest in foreign stocks and cryptocurrencies. Some of the additional income streams I hope to add this year is writing an ebook about personal finance, writing about my career experience, and just like the general gist of my channel. Like I mentioned in my recent video, this is a good way to make passive income. Another stream is monetizing my channel. I've hit the first requirement for YouTube AdSense, which is 1,000 subscribers. Yay! But I'm also currently working towards being more consistent this year and gaining more watch hours. Apart from YouTube money, I've also been getting contacted by numerous brands that want to share their offer with you, my audience. And on that note, I have something to share with you guys. So before you see the rest of this video, take a moment to listen to this. Now, you know I've been running this channel for about a year, and it takes a lot of time and energy to do the research, edit the videos, and even upload it because videos take so much bandwidth and that costs data and money. Well, I'm happy to announce that I got my first sponsorship, and it is honestly one of the best ways I could have started 2022. Because this is my first sponsored video, I wanted it to mean something and stay true to the spirit of this channel, which is helping you achieve your career and financial goals. Just like you guys help me meet mine anytime you watch, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. By the way, this would be a good time to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And now, a message from our sponsors. This video is sponsored by OPay. OPay is a financial services platform driving financial and social inclusion all across Africa. You can transfer funds at no cost to you or the recipient, pay utility bills, and even chat with family and friends and send them money. And all you need to get started is your phone number. When OPay reached out to me to sponsor my next video, I thought, what does a payment app want with my brand? But when I downloaded the OPay app, I got to learn about so many other features, and I realized it is the perfect app for me this year. They have so many savings options and some of the highest interest rates on the market today. They are definitely going to be a big part of my meeting my financial goals in 2022. Now you're probably thinking, why don't I just save my money in my bank account? Why should I use another app to keep my money? Well, first of all, saving money in your bank account means you're losing money because there are so many deductions that take place. Then let me tell you how I'm using OPay to meet all my financial goals I was just telling you about. It's no longer news how terrible the interest rates offered by Nigerian commercial banks are. With the inflation rate far outstripping interest rates, you are basically losing money while you save. With OPay's fixed savings fixture, you can earn up to 18% per annum on your funds and stay ahead of the inflation rate. This goes up to 20% if you're a new user, and you can sign up using my link below. Now, there are not many places where you can get rates like this. I've used a lot of apps, and some of these apps tie up your money for up to a year, only for you to receive a measly sum as interest. Never again. If fixed savings are not for you, you can also take advantage of OPay's target savings feature. With these, you create a savings target, and then you can fund your plan daily, weekly, or monthly till you hit your personal target. With this feature, you can still earn up to 17% each year. Last but not the least is OWealth, which is my personal favorite. OWealth is a savings feature on OPay that lets you save part or all of your OPay funds to get an annual interest. OWealth provides you with at least 15% rate of return per annum, which is higher than any bank in Nigeria could ever offer you. The best part is you can withdraw your money at any time with no extra fees. Lastly, there's a data bonus for MTN and Airtel users every day. You can get 30 megabytes of data for free every single day if you're using MTN or Airtel. Let me just say this. I've used so many apps to manage my finances, and it can be frustrating sometimes when you have to go through different apps before you can know how much you're worth. With OPay, I can manage all my finances within one single app, and that's so awesome. So click on the link in my description box to get started. For my life goals this year, I plan to, one, get a full-time remote job that pays me better, and two, get married or probably engaged, three, learn a new language, and four, look into relocation options. Firstly, getting a full-time, better paying remote job. The world is going through what is known as the Great Resignation, and people are quitting their jobs en masse. Meanwhile, people that are earning low wage jobs or low salary jobs, they are quitting or learning new skills to enter better industries that are paying better, such as the tech industry. As the year is starting out, I'm also choosing not to settle for less. If I'm being honest, the Nigerian job market can be very exploitative of workers. I mean, you work long hours, you earn little pay, and sometimes you don't even get to have your personal life. In addition to long going to work, come back in the evening, long commute hours to work and back. And I plan to make myself more employable this year and position myself to get job offers internationally. So no more Nigerian era. As for employability, I started this process in 2021 by starting to learn UX design. It's been 5 months since I started this journey, and I can tell you it has not been easy combining my job with learning a new skill, especially like with my side hustles as well. And I'm also trying to apply for an entry-level role in UX. So if you're in this situation currently, I want to encourage you to keep working at those goals, job applications, learning new skills, and I hope 2022 will be a better year for you. As for positioning myself, I plan to network better with other UX professionals out there and just generally put myself out there. Networking is one of the ways that have helped me consistently get jobs, even like remote jobs. Most of the remote jobs I've done in the past, they're based on referrals and networking. I didn't even have to apply for some of them. Sometimes I actually send my CV after the interview, and that's one of the secrets that no one tells you. The best way to get into the company is by knowing someone who already works there. It exponentially increases your chances of being selected. And now that the Twitter ban in Nigeria has been lifted, I plan to post more of my UX design challenges on there and on LinkedIn as well. So I'd advise that you put yourself out there this year and just generally try to learn your new skills or make your achievements public. You never know who's watching. If you wrote an article, publish it, tell the world about it. If you're a photographer, post your pictures everywhere, let the world know what you do. And currently I'm job hunting, by the way, so if you know someone or you work somewhere where they need a new or junior UX designer, I'm available, remotely of course. Secondly, I'm probably going to get married or engaged this year. I've been with my boyfriend for 3 years now, and if you're a subscriber, you've probably seen him in some of my lifestyle videos. We have settled into a space where we just know we want to be with each other and have a life together, and it's probably going to happen this year. So thirdly, I'm looking into learning a new language. I have some basic understanding of French. I can't speak quite well, but I have an intermediate reading ability. I can read stuff at the back of like creams or something. However, I'm currently fascinated by Japanese and Korean, probably because I've been watching a lot of K-drama and anime. Sometimes I just randomly bust out Korean words and my boyfriend looks at me like I'm crazy. Moving on. The fourth major life goal for me this year is to look into relocation plans. Everyone and their mother has relocated from Nigeria within this past year, and I'm starting to consider it too. But there's so many options to choose from at the moment. A UK master's degree. I already have a master's degree, by the way, so that one, maybe a PhD, permanent residency in Canada, or something. But some of these processes are very costly and they require quite a bit of planning, so I'll keep you guys updated about the journey either way. So wish me luck. So that's it for me, guys. What are you up to, or what are you planning to do this year? I would love to hear from you, so leave me a comment, and who knows, your next employer or referrer might be reading. And if you haven't, please don't forget to hit the link in the description box to download the OPay app, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well. Sayonara.